Hello, welcome guys to my YouTube channel Prakash Coaching Classes. Today we are going to discuss a new mathematics chapter of class 10, which is arithmetic progressions. This is a very important topic, arithmetic progression, and it has various significance in our day-to-day life problems. So let's try to understand what is first arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression basically it is a series of integers having a specific sequence and a unique combination. So we are going to understand how it is and what's the combination is. So the first thing, we need to know some of the terms which are used in the AP or arithmetic progression. So as you can see, I have taken a random number of variables for this series, which is a1, a2, a3, a4 and an. So here the first term is known as first term of the series is known as the first term, and there is one common difference, which is a2 minus a1, meaning second term minus first term. So in a series which has to be an AP, requires this mandatory condition that the common difference between all the numbers in the series must be same, and that is known as common difference. Now this series we can generalize in the form of an AP as first A, which is the first term, second term will be first term plus the common difference, third term will be the first term plus 2 times the common difference, and so on. So we can write a generalized form of the formula for a formula type of thing for the common difference, which is represented by the term D as AK plus 1 minus AK term, meaning AK plus 1 term minus AK. Now what we have understood, let's try to dig deeper while solving a problem and know how the problems are being solved. So I have taken one problem. Write the first 4 terms of an AP, of which the first term and the common difference are A equals to 10 and D equals to 10. So here I have given in the problem, we have been given the first term and the common difference. So we need to write down the four terms of the AP. So the first term is A1. First term is given, which is 10. A1 equals to 10. A2 equals to A plus B, which is 10 plus 10 equals to 20. A3 will be A plus 2D, which is 10 plus 20, which is 30, and similarly A4. So the 4 terms of the AP are 10, 20, 30 and 40. So this is an arithmetic progression series which has a common difference of 10 each. Next is nth term of the AP. Let's understand how to find the nth term of an AP. I have taken the AP A1, A2, A3 up to till so on. The formula for finding the nth term of the AP is A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, n is the number of the term which we need to find out, and D is the common difference. So here let's understand this with the help of by taking 2 examples. Let's discuss let's go one by one. The first one is find the 10th term of the AP. AP is been given 2, 7 and 12. So here again applying the formula, first is say A is 2, first term, D is 7 minus 2, and term which we need to find out is 10th. So I have taken n equals to 10. Applying in this formula will get 47. So the 10th term of this AP will be 47. Coming on to the next example, determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the 7th term is 9. So here we have been given 2 terms, which is third term and the 7th term. The value has been given to us and we need to find the AP. So again you just go back what we have discussed earlier in this video, that for finding an AP we require 2 things, first term and common difference. So here both the things are not given, so we need to find the first term and the common difference in order to form the required AP. So let's discuss. The formula for the nth term is this: and applying this value that for the third term a, let's take the first term is a and the common difference is d. So first term minus 3 minus 1 2, so the thing is 5 equals to a plus 2d. Similarly for the seventh term we will get two equations and two variables a and d, and we know how to solve them. So on solving this we get a equals to 3 and d equals to 1. Again, when we got the first term and the common difference, we can formulate the AP. We'll discuss the sum of the first n terms of an AP. So suppose we have an AP and we need to find out the first 10 terms of an AP. An AP consists of 20 terms, and in that we need to find out the first 10th number of an AP. So how we'll do it? We'll do it with the help of using this formula, which is Sn, sum of the n terms, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this formula can also be written as n by 2 a plus an. Rearrange in the equation, we will get this equation where an is the last term. Somewhere an is also represented by the l. So this formula is modified by n by 2 a plus l also. So now let's perform a numerical and understand how it applies. Find the first sum of the first 22 terms of the AP. AP is 8, 3 minus 2 and so on. So this is a decreasing AP, not the increasing one. Here finding the values we require a and d. A is 8, d we can get a2 minus a1, n is 22. So we need to find the sum of the first 22 numbers. Applying the formula we'll get 979. So this is how we get the sum of the first n terms of the AP. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share the video.